You need parts that meet the print, and you need them yesterday. Fusion 360 has fully integrated 2.5 and 3-axis CAM to help make that happen. Leverage the feature-rich CAD tools to set up jobs quickly, from work holding to coordinate system to stock definition. Rough parts efficiently with adaptive clearing, a proprietary algorithm that maintains a constant load on the tool with a constant engagement angle, allowing deeper and faster cuts that evenly distribute wear along the full flute length. When it comes time to finish the part, there's a full suite of 2D and 3D finishing operations to meet your needs. Consistent, intuitive controls across operations mean fewer complex menus to navigate, learn, and remember. Fusion 360 is built on a 64-bit multi-core engine, so you can keep working while toolpaths generate. Power users will be happy to know we support rest machining, form tools, intelligent parameters, and an unlimited number of machining templates. Fusion 360 includes a powerful and dynamic stock simulation, so you can verify your toolpaths well before posting. In addition to posting code, generate setup sheets, including tooling and toolpath data, to communicate effectively with machine operators and reduce the chance of setup error. All this and more in Fusion 360.